cooking delights. Today I'm going to show you how to make cold coffee. The summer is around and it's a very great beverage for a lazy summer afternoon. And here are the ingredients you can see over here. Full cream milk, coffee, powdered sugar, the base ingredient. Along with it, we will put in some fresh cream, chocolate shavings, Chocochips, wafer sticks, chocolate syrup. We would need, since it's cold coffee, we would definitely need some ice cubes, and we'll top it up with ice cream. Ice cream, chocolate, Chocochips, and wafers are definitely optional. You can definitely make it without all these ingredients. These are to garnish it and make it a bit more luscious, okay, a bit more craving. So now let's move forward and make cold coffee. Making cold coffee is pretty straightforward. I will take 800 ml of full cream milk into a pan. To it I will put 100 ml of fresh cream, and 150 grams of sugar. This is around 150 grams of powdered sugar, and then we'll start whipping it using a hand blender. I am whipping the milk, cream and sugar for around 1 minute. I'll turn it off, and now I will put in the coffee. And blend it again. While blending it, put in some ice cubes. Now I have been blending it for the last 3 to 4 minutes. I will put in a tablespoon of chocolate shavings and a tablespoon of Chocochips. Serve your cold coffee. For that I will show you a bit of a trick. I have chocolate sauce with me and serving glasses. I will put it onto it. Now you can see I have poured chocolate sauce into the glass in this way. It would be kind of a design when you serve your cold coffee. The second glass and the third glass. Just on the wall of the glass, put in this chocolate sauce. Pour in the coffee. You can now see it looks beautiful, and you'll top it up with ice cream. Top it up with ice creams, scoop of it. some chocolate chips, grated black chocolate, and wafer sticks. And here is your cold coffee with vanilla ice cream. Have a sip and enjoy. Thank you very much. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of our new upcoming videos. Thank you very much.